Yes, and start. A division bench of this court, the highest court for this state, has clearly indicated the extent of the unbridled power of a Muslim husband to divorce his wife. Stop. The only condition necessary for the valid exercise of the right of divorce by a husband is that he must be a major and of sound mind at that time. Stop. He can effect divorce whenever he desires. Stop. Even if he divorces his wife under compulsion or in joke or in anger, that is considered perfectly valid. Stop. No special forum is necessary for effecting divorce under Hanafi law. Stop. The husband can effect if by conveying to the wife that he is repudiating the alliance. Stop. It need not even be addressed to her. Stop. It takes effect the moment it comes to her knowledge. Para. Should Muslim wives suffer this tyranny for all times? Question mark. Should their personal law remain so cruel towards these unfortunate wives? Question mark. Can it not be amended suitably to alleviate their sufferings? Question mark. My judicial conscience is disturbed at this monstrosity. Stop. The question is whether the conscience of the leaders of public opinion of the community will also be disturbed. Stop. In an illuminating judgment, virtually a research document, the eminent judge V.R. Krishna Iyer, as his lordship then was, has made extensive observations. Stop. It would suffice for our purpose to extract and produce a few out of the several observations made by his lordship. Stop. Para. The interpretation of a legislation obviously intended to protect a weaker section of the community like women must be informed by the social perspective and purpose, and within its grammatical flexibility must further the beneficent object. Stop. And so we must appreciate the Islamic ethos and the general sociological background which inspired the enactment of the law before locating the precise connotation of the words used in the statute. Stop. The soul of a culture law is largely the formalized and enforceable expression of a community's cultural norms, cannot be fully understood by alien minds. Stop. The view that the Muslim husband enjoys an arbitrary unilateral power to inflict instant divorce does not accord with Islamic injunctions. Stop. It is a popular fallacy that a Muslim male enjoys unbridled authority to liquidate the marriage. Stop. The whole Quran expressly forbids a man to seek pretext for divorcing his wife so long as she remains faithful and obedient to him. If they obey you, then do not seek a way against them. Stop. The Islamic law gives to the man primarily the faculty of dissolving the marriage if the wife by her bad character renders the married life unhappy, but in the absence of serious reasons no man can justify a divorce either in the eye of religion or the law. Stop. Over.